So how are you feeling after taking so many sessions?
I'm feeling so relaxed and so happy.
Hmm.
This practice made me so good, so relaxed.
Hmm.
I'm feeling so good. I removed all my pains, all my anxieties, everything.
You were having certain pains during the sessions, so you can
Yeah.
share the experiences of that.
Yeah, when I joined the session, I started pain in my legs, in knees, in my legs. I was wondering why this is happening unnecessarily, why this pain is occurring in my whole legs, whole body. But
Hmm.
then I was very positive about that, and I kept chanting. I kept doing this four lines of four positive lines, four strong lines, and
Hmm.
then within 2 3 days, within 2 days, in fact, I'll say
Hmm.
all pain in my body, in my legs, got removed, and I was feeling so
Amazing.
healthy. I was
Super.
feeling so happy. Yeah.
Congratulations. So that's the power of this practice, that it not
Yes.
only helps you in healing your pains or any body illness, but also helps you to remove those inhibitions which we carry inside ourselves, in the form of emotions. So it is helping you in that. I'm so happy about you, and
Yes.
continue doing the practice and create miracles like this.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much for helping me through
Congratulations.
this practice. Yeah. Thank you.
This is all, thank you for giving me the
Yeah.
opportunity.
Thank you.
Amazing.